What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master. Listen up real quick. I want to give you this before it makes its move. So Powell is going to speak today at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. What generally happens when Powell speaks is he makes the market move like in such a dramatic way. So today, I want to show you something, right? Looking at the Dow Jones right now, as you can see, it's dropping. But this is an issue. Let me show you on regular candles. See this gap right here? There's a gap closure that needs to happen between here and here. Now, it might not look like it's that significant, but it is. And let me show you how significant it is. It's about let me do it again because I got stuff right there. Let me move it down. So it's about a 45 pip gap. Okay. So I am looking at like, what are you going to do, market? Are you going to shoot down? Are you going to shoot up? So, we're in a very unique position right now in the market because if you look at what's down here, the 800 EMA is sitting here looking real nice and pretty for price action to shoot down there and hit the 800. But again, we got the 30-minute chart. So this is our first mark right here on the 30-minute chart. So it looks like price action should shoot down, hit the 800 here before anything. But let's look at where we are on the 1 minute. 1 minute, we got some room to grow for some great sale action, and the RSI looks good on the 5 minute as well. 30-minute, we got some RSI, and so we're running out of room in the RSI here to run all the way down here because I believe that's like 800 pips or so. Let me see. Yeah, that's 785 pips away from where it is right now. So that's what I'm looking. I'm looking at price to shoot down some prior to him speaking, and then probably do this like crazy dip and then run up. But we're also playing with this closure of the 50 and 200, so it very well could stay down and come and close this a lot later. I just want to prepare you because 130 it is going down, point blank, period. All right. On another note, this stock here, Polestar. Polestar got some bad news today, but if you look, that 50 is about to push Polestar back up from the looks of it. And that's on the 1 hour chart. Also on the 4 hour chart, if you look now, the 50 is about to come up and cross over the 200 EMA. So that's giving us a great indicator of a push up. But on the lower time frame, it looks like it could come down. So probably bounce down before it pulls back up. Keep my eyes peeled on this one as well. RSI is actually giving that indicator as well on the 15-minute chart. But on the 5 minute chart, look at this. On the 5 minute chart, we had this little cross, and then we can have another crossover again for a price to come down and shoot down to the 800, or price will bounce off the 200, push up, and then allow the 50 to actually continue its move in an upward motion, right? Which is going to push price that way. So that's what I'm looking at for Polestar. Lastly, let's look at the CAD. I've been loving the CAD and how it moves. USD CAD. Um, so it's out of sync, right? And if you watch any of my videos, you know what I mean by out of sync. Um, on that chart, but on this chart, it's a three-finger setup for a sale. So it's in a very unique position as well, meaning price could push up to meet and match what it did here. Plus the Fibonacci's 1 is right. I mean, the zero line on the fib is right here. That's the gray line. That's where price is having trouble going through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times price tried to break through this wall and it could not. Now it went to go up under the 50, but not under the 200 on the 30-minute. On the 1 hour, it's above the 50, so we can get some unique buy action. But of course, UCAD and US 30 can't go the same direction. So curious to see what it's going to do. And last but not least, our favorite, Bitcoin. I got Bitcoin dropping all the way down to 16,520 and actually coming back to meet this level here where it closed at 16,433. I think it opened there today. Yeah, it opened at 16,433, and then it shot up and made a high today at 17,000 072. So the low was 16,740 at the time. Um, the high 16. No, that's wrong. There we go. All right, hold on. Right there. There we go. The high 16, 17,074 was the high, and 16,433 was the low. So I think Bitcoin is going to keep dropping. It does have the room to drop some more, especially in RSI has plenty of room to drop. So let's stay tuned and see what's going to happen with these currencies, guys. But that's what I'm looking at. Hopefully this helps someone. And here it is on Forex Factory. Fed Chair Powell speaks. And when he speaks, everybody listens. Why? Because he's going to do something with the interest rates. Okay. I think he's going to raise them yet again. But that's just me. All right. Hopefully this helps. 6 minutes. That's my time. I'm your boy, Chef Yarneezy. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Please, please, please do that. Why? Because it's important for our nation to know what's going on in the market and be able to capitalize on it. This is a very unique position to be in when you're trading currencies. Trading stocks is one thing, but trading currency, that's a whole nother ball game. And when we are made aware of these things, because a lot of people don't even know this exists, but when we're made aware that we can make money from this, oh my gosh, what an amazing thing that we can actually create when it comes to generational wealth, within our own communities, right? For instance, a move like this on US 30 from 625 to 506, we're talking 130 pips roughly, right? So 100. Picture this: if you had a 1 cent trade, that's $130. If you have a 10 cent trade, which is worth a dollar technically, right? You have $1,300 off of that one move. I'm just saying that's how money is made in this market. It's that little move right here makes you 1,300. If you're balling out of control, that's a $13,000 move right there. Okay, I'm just saying this is how we get down in the trading world, and I want you guys to be in the know. So I'm here to inform. All right. If nothing else, I'm here to inform and educate the best way I can. I'm going to start hosting wealth management classes as well as financial management, financial literacy classes to just make our folks aware, of what's out here and what they could be and should be doing financially, especially in these trying times. So again, that's my time. I wasted another whole minute and almost 2 minutes talking beyond that. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm talking about. I'm your boy, Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master, and I'm out.